Every single minute, thousands of businesses go to Fiverr with their credit cards in hand looking for high end services. They are not browsing, they are not scrolling for entertainment, they are ready to buy. And when they hire a professional using your link, Fiverr pays you up to $165 and to $1,000 per conversions. Just in the last 2 months, this exact system generated $99,946 for me in affiliate commissions. You don't need an existing audience, you don't need teach skills, and you don't need to write content manually anymore because AI can map out buyer intent keyword and drive organic free traffic directly to your links. Stay until the final section. That's where I share the exact prompt framework that's turn cold traffic into recurring affiliate commissions while you sleep. And let's get started. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 7 years, and I know exactly how this business works. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, first you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. For me, guys, I'm working with Fiverr affiliate marketing, and just in the last month, guys, I have made $52,194 and it's paid. This is my payment page. You guys can see here my invoice, recent payment request details. It's paid. I already received this payment in my bank account. Anyway, I'll share with you exactly how you can also start making money with Fiverr affiliate program using AI and free traffic in this video. Okay, so step number one, like I said, you need to join Fiverr affiliate marketing program. So here is what you will do. You will go to Google and you will search for Fiverr. You will click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to sign up using your email address. Of course, it's for free. And once you finish your sign up process, you will come to this page and you will scroll down like this. Go to company and just click over here on affiliate like this, and you will be, guys, in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down in this website here and go to commission plan, so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, because this affiliate marketing program is high ticket affiliate marketing program. They are paying high commissions. Some commissions, guys, it's up to 70% of the first order, which is really crazy, guys. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. You can turn this into a passive income. So for example, if one person buys a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. This is very, very good. Okay, and the lowest that they are paying, it's 25% of other services. Okay, which is really good. You guys can check the commission plan here. If you want to create your affiliate account, you will go back to this page here and click on join now. Okay, once you click on join now, you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And what you will do next here is you need to put here your social media profile page link that you will use to promote those Fiverr services. So if, for example, if you want to promote those services on YouTube, you need to put here your YouTube channel link. If you want to promote those services on Pinterest, you can put here your Pinterest profile link, and so on. Okay, then scroll down, click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from China, from Germany, from United Kingdom, from United States, from Canada, from Australia, and so on. Search for your country from here and click here and choose your language. Once you finish, you can put here your Telegram account if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need a social media platform that you will use to promote those Fiverr services as an affiliate marketer. The best platform for you as a beginners that you guys can start with is a Pinterest, because it's search engine platform. So what you will do, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest business account like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. If you already have Pinterest personal account, you can switch it into business account without creating a new account. If you don't have any Pinterest account yet, you can go to Google, like I said, search for Pinterest business account, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. And Pinterest, guys, is a gold mine for affiliate marketing. It's really good. Okay, why? Because it's search engine platform. It's not social media platform. It's not like Instagram or like TikTok. Pinterest is like YouTube and Google. So meaning all you need to focus on is creating an SEO optimized content that will rank higher here on Pinterest and keep getting you traffic and making you commissions. Okay, so it's search engine platform. Also, guys, Pinterest, it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. That's a lot of traffic. Okay, and if you do it correctly, if you know how to use good SEO, good keyword in your title, in your pins, in your description to rank higher on Pinterest, you can start getting traffic and you can start making commissions. And once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, guys, what you need to do is you need to promote services that people are already searching for here on Pinterest. Okay, you cannot promote services that you like or that you think they can work. This business doesn't work like this. You need to see what people are already searching for here on Pinterest. Okay, so what we will do, since Pinterest is search engine platform, we will click here on the search bar, and here we will type keyword. You can type any keyword. Let's say as an example, logo. Here you go. You see, I typed this keyword and Pinterest suggests those topics that people are searching for on Pinterest right now. They are searching, we have an audience searching for logo design ideas, logo concept, logo ideas. So this audience who search for logo design ideas, they will be interested to buy logo design services. Okay, also you can type any keyword, not just this one. Let's say t-shirts. Here you go, t-shirts print design ideas. You can promote t-shirt design services here. Also, let's type social. Here you go. You see, I typed just this keyword. You just need to type here keyword, and Pinterest will give you the topics that people are searching for, and you need to promote services related to those keywords, services related to what people are searching for here on Pinterest. That's how you can win, and that's how you can find winning services that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. So you guys can see here social, I typed just this keyword and Pinterest suggests those topics. We have social media design post, social media marketing, social media manager, and so on. Okay, let's type as an example this keyword, social media manager. So what I will do next, I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, we find a winning keyword. I will click on the search and search for, it's already popular right now on Fiverr. You guys can see social media manager. So search for social media manager services like this. Why we search for this service? Because already people searching for this service on Pinterest, and this service also, it's proof here that on Fiverr it's already popular, meaning that people are already paying for this service on Fiverr, meaning this service has high demand, which is very good. So this is a good one. Okay, search for social media manager, scroll down, and here you go. So here you will find a lot of sellers who provide this service. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 2 seller and top rated sellers and pro sellers. Choose sellers who can provide good service for your customers, for your clients who will came from your affiliate link. Okay, because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of their customers who already paid for this service. So if you are choosing good sellers, you can win, and people also can buy the service from you, and you can earn commissions. Okay, as an example, let's pick one seller to show you, like this one. This one is pro seller. I will be your social media marketing manager. This one is a good one, has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $250. This one is good one. I will click on this one, guys. So just click on the service that you guys want to promote, and here you go. You will be, guys, in this seller profile page, and this is the proof. Numbers don't lie. You guys can see that I'm sharing with you everything with the proof. Okay, we have here 35 orders in queue and over 2,000 reviews, meaning that over 2,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller, and people keep coming back, meaning that this seller, guys, is providing good service for his customers. Also, this service is evergreen service, meaning that people, guys, can keep buying this service from you over and over, and you keep earning 10% revenue share that I explained it in the beginning. Okay, anyway, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Go to your dashboard. Here you have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be, guys, in this page. Click on dip link and paste here this seller profile link and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy always your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this affiliate marketing business, guys, for almost over 7 years now, and that's why I still have this option. This is an old Fiverr affiliate account. And if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how you can use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI without showing your face and without using your voice, and get free traffic without relying on paid ads using social media platforms. Okay, so instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students who are making $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $12,000 per month with affiliate marketing using my exact AI system. Okay, so if you are serious and you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. So now we created our affiliate link. We need to promote, guys, this affiliate link on Pinterest. So we will go to Pinterest. Okay, go back to your Pinterest homepage like this and click on home feed and click on create pin, just like this. So what you need to do next is you need to create an SEO optimized pin that will get clicks and rank higher on Pinterest and make you commissions. And what we will do here is we will use AI. So what we will do next, we will go to ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT, guys, and ask him, guys, to give you a viral prompt to send to Google Gemini to create high quality ad Pinterest pin picture to promote social media manager service on Pinterest. Just like this, easy and simple. Click on send prompt and ChatGPT will create a good and viral high converting prompt. You guys can see here you go. You see, here is your prompt. You will copy this prompt from here and go back to Google Gemini. Okay, go and open your Google Gemini like this. Click on this icon and click on create image. Okay, and here you go. Here, paste your prompt, your ChatGPT prompt here like this. Okay, and click on submit, and here you go. So Google Gemini will create a high converting Pinterest ad picture for you. It's just in few seconds that you guys can use to promote those Fiverr services on Pinterest. Okay, it started creating our Pinterest pin picture. Once it's done, I'll show you guys the result. And here you go, guys, your Pinterest ad pin picture is done. Let's check. It's very, very good. Grow your social media, get more followers, engagement, leads, and sales. Very, very good. Get your social media manager. It's a professional, very high quality converting ad picture. Very good. Done by AI. Do you see the power of AI? You should start using AI. I'm using AI. I'm not creating just image. I'm using AI to create also videos that I'm using to promote my affiliate offers also on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and double my traffic and double my commissions. That's the power of AI. Once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business just keeps scaling month over month. Okay, anyway, this is your Pinterest ad picture. You will click here on download to download this Pinterest ad picture to your laptop. And what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest and click on upload your media and upload your Pinterest pin ad picture. Okay, this is my Pinterest pin ad picture. Here you go. Okay, we need an SEO optimized title and an SEO optimized description. What we will do next, we will go back to AI, to Google Gemini, and we will ask him, okay, give me SEO optimized, okay, title and description for this pin. Here you go. You just need to use AI, okay? And Google Gemini will create an SEO optimized title and description for this pin. You guys can see it started creating the pin title and description. Option 1, direct and result focused, best for conversions. We have option 2, great for searchability, and we have option 3. And here you go. You can test, guys, which titles are working for you. You can test those 3 titles and create 3 different pins for each service. You need to create at least 5 different pins for each service and see which pins are getting clicks, which pins are not getting clicks. Double what's working and avoid what's not working. Don't just copy paste, okay? Do some research, try to learn, improve your content, check your Pinterest data. A lot of people just they copy paste, okay? And that's wrong. So we have option 1, pin title. I will copy just the first title, guys, the option 1, okay? Go back to Pinterest and I will paste my title here. I need description. I will go back. Here is the pin description with hashtags, everything, okay? Keyword that will help my pin to rank higher on Pinterest. Paste your description here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly here. You need to create a landing page or an affiliate website, okay? And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here, Fiverr Pro, this affiliate link here, and go back to Pinterest, and you need to put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Because if you are promoting affiliate links directly on Pinterest, you will get banned and you will get 0 traffic, 0 commission, okay? You need to use a landing page or an affiliate website. This is a safe and the correct way to make commissions with affiliate marketing using Pinterest, okay? Then you will put here as an example your landing page link, okay, like this as an example, okay? Scroll down. This is not this account, this Pinterest account, it's not my main account. I'm using this account to show you how you can do it, okay? You will scroll down, go to board and click here, and if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And in each board you need to promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. If you want to promote new niche, create new board and promote the niche that you want. So I already have a lot here. I will choose this one, and here you guys can put tags, keyword, okay? They are not important. What you need to focus on, it's the keyword in your description and the keyword in your title, okay? That's how you can win and that's how you can rank higher on Pinterest, okay? So once everything is good, you will click on publish, okay? And once you click on publish, your Pinterest pin will be published like this. You guys can see here, okay? Which is very, very good. So if people, guys, click here on visit site, they will be directly in this seller profile page. If they click here on continue and they buy this service from you, you earn a commission. So how much you will earn? This service is pro seller, and for pro services we will earn 70% of the first orders, okay? If we go to ChatGPT and we ask him if we go to ChatGPT, guys, and we ask him what is 70% of $237, you can click here on send, and let's see, they are really paying good commissions. Here you go. You guys can see that the first commission that you can earn, it's $166, which is really good. It's crazy commission. No affiliate marketing programs is paying like this. And if you know any affiliate marketing program that is paying like those commissions, please let me know in the comments. And you guys can see, like this, since this affiliate marketing program is paying high commissions, you don't need millions of views, you don't need millions of visitors, and you don't need paid ads. You just need to target good audience that will be interested to buy those services from you, and you need to create an SEO optimized content that you can post on social media platforms to double your traffic and double your commissions, okay? You guys can see just the basic package, okay? Keep in your mind that some people can pay this one standard package. If they buy this, you earn more. Some people can pay for premium package. If they pay for this package, you earn more, okay? That's the power of this affiliate marketing program, guys, okay? And that's exactly how I'm making money with Fiverr affiliate program using AI and free traffic, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about this business, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description. and I will send you all the details, and see you in the next one.